guys, it's Samantha and I'm standing in my kitchen right now because I thought with Raya just around the corner, I wanted to try making ketupat and rendang. So over here, I have this packet of mini ketupat. There's like 30 inside and what you're supposed to do is basically just put like these plastic packets, heat-resistant plastic packets, and they'll just cook it inside for you. And then there's also this all-in-one rendang paste. There was like a version where I had to like look for santan, but the supermarket didn't have santan for some reason. So I chose the one where you just have to dump in some chicken and put in the paste, put in some water, and then you just wait for it to cook. Okay, so one other thing I wanted to do with the ketupat is, because I thought it's too easy if I just put that packet, boil it, and serve it. Because all you need to do is basically just cut up the plastic and serve. So I actually bought some daun palas. I ordered this online because it's impossible to find in the supermarket, and I'm not even sure if I bought the correct leaves, but I searched down ketupat and this is what came up, so I got this lah. I watched so many tutorials trying to learn how to weave ketupat casings. It didn't really go well because I have very like short fingers and they're not delicate at all. It took me the entire night, I'm not even kidding. My first one was so lopsided. Look at it, this is so bad. If you put rice in this, it's just gonna fall out and all you're left with is like leaves. I eventually got better, I think, after like many tutorials and many leaves that I threw away because I just crumpled them up in anger and annoyance. I made this! Nice knot! But at that point it was like 1 AM, so I just made like a few that we're just gonna try out. Okay, good luck to me. I've got my pot of water here that's waiting to be boiled, and these are my lopsided ketupats. We're gonna make the ketupat first because this takes about an hour to an hour and a half to cook. Oh, they're so cute! Oh. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like cut up the packet, try to fill these with the rice. So I'm supposed to fill like 1/3 of the casing. We try them. We're gonna speed up this part. Okay, the water is boiling, I can hear it. I'm just gonna put like a few small packets of it. If these don't work out, maybe I'll put like 5 packets. Whoa, just moment of truth. Okay. Oh wait, I'm supposed to add salt. I forgot to add salt. Got some salt here. Maybe 1 teaspoon. Oh. So we're gonna leave this to cook for an hour and a half. Okay, while we wait for this to be done, I'm gonna start cooking the rendang first. So I've got my pan here. Turn it out. Got my chicken here. Got my rendang paste here. Gonna put a little bit of oil. Look at it. Just trying to like avoid the oil. So I put water in the packet because it's not one knot. Is that what rendang is supposed to look like? Okay, I'm gonna like mix it. I feel like I put too much water. Is that what rendang is supposed to be like? Now we just simmer for like 20 minutes until the meat is tender, so we'll see. I think it looks good enough. Yeah, I think the rendang's ready. It's good. Very oily. So oily though. Oh, that's good. I'm excited. I think I put too much oil just now for the chicken. Can't wait for the rice to be ready. So we're gonna kind of like check on the ketupat for a bit. Because the packaging says 1 hour, I'm just gonna leave it for another half an hour. We have about 10 minutes left. Okay, so it's been an hour. I think it's cooked. Ooh, oh no, the rice is like bulging out. So we're not supposed to eat it yet. We're supposed to let it cool for 2 hours or just stick it in the fridge for a few minutes. So I started cooking in the morning. Now it's after lunch, but we finally have a complete ketupat and rendang dish. Let's unwrap the ketupat. I'm gonna use scissors. Look at that. Okay lah, kind of jadi. Okay, it's kind of disintegrating, but I guess sort of. I'm just gonna try the ones in the packet. Actually came out really well. Oh my god. I don't know if it's because I'm very hungry, but it's so good. So anyway, if you have any tips on how I can make the ketupat better or how to weave it better, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye! I think chicken a bit overcooked.